party in here.
I cannot. Just kill the mobs. Kill the mobs. Kill the mobs.
Half
Okay,
a
I will
party
do a
to
fake. Listen, I will do a fake. I will do a fake. I will do a
Okay,
fake.
okay.
They will listen. I will do a fake. They will full zone. My DPS stay outside here in the healers. My DPS stay outside on the southeast. My DPS stay outside. Stay outside. My DPS stay outside. You'll hit from outside.
Here.
Stay southeast of me, where Stiku is.
Here.
They have a stuff of balance outside mounted in southeast.
I
Where's
know,
the
that's what I'm
balance?
saying. Stay outside. I'll do a fake and then I'll do a fake with me on northwest, yeah? In 3,
Okay, tell me when.
2, 1. Do a fake on me. Do a fake. Come southwest, prepare to hit if they're coming. Okay, come west. Party 2, stay on the west side. Q's and W's. Party 2, stay on the west side. Party 1, stay on the east side. Heal Bebelino. Okay, look northeast. I'll do a fake again. Fake in 3, 2, 1. Full PS. Wait. Everyone use gigs. Party 2 go in. Look at me. 3, 2, 1. Full PS on me. Full PS. Just full PS. Brawl with them. I said fucking use gigs. Look at me. 3, 2, 1. Hit whatever you have. Just hit whatever you have. Why the fuck you guys didn't use gigs when I told you to fucking use gigs? She all pulled you in the fucking clump when I told you use fucking gigs. Southwest. Catch and kill. Use
Where's
hit
the
on me
barrels,
if you
baby?
have. Hit on me if you have. Catch and kill. Guys, I told you to use gigs. What the fuck? You died in the clump.
Bă, eu am folosit geek la full HP și am murit.
Da.
Gen,
Like
Lumea
this.
lumea a murit.
Defenses. Where's the defense? No Garun, no fucking nothing.
I
I told
took
you, they will engage.
6k damage in that.